Your aspect ratio is just how wide your video is compared to how tall it is. The formats are 16:9 for horizontal video, 9:16 for vertical video, or 1:1 for square video. So which one should you use for your video? Well, if you're making a video for YouTube or anything horizontal, you should use 16.9. For TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Reels, or anything else vertical, I would use 9:16, and on Instagram feeds, I would use 1:1. There's not a real reason to use 1:1 too much anymore, but it does still work on Instagram. But why does aspect ratios matter in the first place? Well, using a wrong aspect ratio can make your video look cut off, squished, or surrounded by black bars. Choosing the right aspect ratio will keep your content looking professional and make it easier to watch. And that's what an aspect ratio is and which one you should use based on your video preference. Make sure to follow me for more video editing tutorials, and make sure to check out my website in the description for free assets for new video editors. And I'll see you tomorrow for another video.